Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Over 13 lakh voters exercised their right to franchise for the KHADC and JHADC elections. KHADC records 60% at 3 p.m, while JHADC records 70%. Expectations galore as people vote for the 272 candidates in the fray. Transparent governance and safeguarding the rights of the indigenous people tops the list. Violence disrupts polling in Wapung Square, East Jayanta Hills. Repolling to be held tomorrow. And now for the news in detail. Over 13 lakh voters today exercised their right to franchise for the KHADC and JHADC elections. There are as many as 272 candidates in the fray, and counting of votes will take place on February 24th. A total number of 158 candidates, including 12 women, are contesting in the KHADC polls, while 114 candidates, including 12 women, candidates will fight it out in the JHADC election. The overall voting percentage till 1 p.m. for both KHADC and JHADC stood at 50.21%. A percentage of 45.18% was recorded in the KHADC, while 55.24% was recorded in the JHADC. Further details on the voting percentage are awaited. A lot has been said, assured, promised and alleged by various political parties to woo voters in the run to the KHADC and JHADC elections, and now their fate has been sealed by the voters. As the candidates cast their votes on Friday, all they have is hope to make it to the top. DD News spoke to a few of the candidates, and this is what they had to say.
The sitting CEM of KHADC and NPP candidate from Nong Thamai constituency cast his vote at Pokse today.
Ketika sin boning kongya banwan yakun nang ni na po kanri Nong Thamai constituency. Henry mdan jing arta tien pan baki nong shnong jong ka Nong Thamai kin ayaka jingkashan halor kimat bat kinong rim kibangidan nakabantaban tray hakaniga sanshar ba.
The sitting MDC and Congress candidate from Maukhar Pinthor Umkhra constituency, Pinchingan NSM, has exuded confidence that he will be re-elected as the MDC. MDP candidate from Mairang Nongklau constituency, Equator Lingdot Nongrang, cast his vote this morning for the 2025 MDC election at the Mairang Presbyterian Academy School polling station in Mission.
Election MDC pemerintah kertong di bagi penyiaran election sudon bagai cengkerbat ba nganyo hi jingjong awi ba kampalang batang babon hi ki one panai kata support. The
president of the HSPDP and the MDC candidate from Ramrai Jirngam constituency, KP Pangyang, cast his vote this morning at Tinghor polling station. Independent candidate from Maulai constituency, PT Saukme, cast his vote today. While addressing the media, Saukme admitted that the battle in the constituency is tough and candidates are exceptionally strong, while also pointing out that whoever wins the election must work for the public and protect the interest of the community.
Nama beli nama official tu kalau nakalian jangan kalau hamrim na baro ki kini kandidat di kada bah kawai kan nombor nakalian jangan hi wata kalau yo alam ti hamstem kumui the KC politician like them kum Malaysia Malaysia.
Renowned arm wrestler from Umsning, Margaret Pathau, cast her vote today and expressed her thoughts after casting her vote.
Kum ka sports person kum ka long Iiga jinsi wala jalai kada ni hari kasi jami ku drop through the number one balak ta shisha ki konsam te nga kum ko long ko me hinga kwa ba ni yo yo no ni khamo badan ka jingket khali badan ka jingchan bisap tiang yo ulai batrai hok ya ka kam kala pinket ubabam sap.
Brisk voting is also recorded in the Jaintia Hills to elect new members to the JHADC. A. Andrew Shulai, the sitting MDC and VPP candidate from Jowai North constituency, cast his vote at the Mission Compound polling station.
First time wa diulti wa dengan nongrip wan ra ga jingla haka imlang salang secara kadar ya wan rai de jing secara wa bat ko yusuba
KL Pariat, the independent candidate from Jowai North constituency, also cast his vote at the Yamusiang polling station today.
Nakatala hi ka jingkar men wan chakman wata wa the one giman bay ki wakso ya ka ganja khamtam ni ka koryang ga bay wa the lagi the ka jingkar men ko wakso bha wata wa ni go election wan ra ka jingkalla ka voting kam ju le ka jing south ho ki wa ka 6 schedule ka school ka.
Expectations run high amongst the voters as they exercise their rights today. From safeguarding the customary practices, clean and transparent governance, fighting for the rights of the people to ensuring that the basic needs of the people are fulfilled. The list has it all. DD News Shillong caught with voters from different polling stations to get an insight, and this is what they expressed.
I'm joined here with H.H. Morman, one of the most renowned columnists of Shillong Times. We'll have a word with him, a little bit of scenario of how is this ADC elections in West Yankees. So can you just tell us something, how different is this election is?
With regard to the outcome of the election, no one can really predict this election because all the contenders are really doing very well, but I doubt if any party, especially in the Antilles, I doubt if any party would achieve a double-digit win, even in Giant Hills. So I don't see
that any man who is being elected, will be a good man who look after the downtrodden, and then who look after the well-being of all of this constituency. And I think God will give us a good man. That's it.
Ini kung ginang sinong pergi ko abet yung kandidat long ban pek dam ka sinong katao bat ka jigdura sinong katao kay long ban kata ketika mon ketika diang long bun no lang kanya ka sinong katao mo buni na ka sinong ni milajit ka ubre te utaw bang milajit na ka sinong mo di ban pek lang kay mo ni kung kata ngi dan ka jeng jen bakat long bun
kung jonga mga niyo tabon bang akwar ba kandidat jongi bin pej bhai karoy kapar khamtam mangi gi khna gi bangin nang sule mekin pej bha mo namar ngi I kinang pun ki jingduna hakani ka ri bhoi jongi
adu bro bathak pas jana kabut bang lawan step pan nga ba ki ni ki samla la ni ki rong ba ni ki lung kumi long pa ta undi na ban sab na ban thap na kabut ri hap ban thap ya kana kabut pan ni ki sab kai kabut na ki
ni cũng vì cầm lang yang te nhập quay te kata pun yo sebut dan happen club dan ini yo yang menlek rekaman tadi ambon buang menuru ko isa tapi ko.
Polling at Wapung Skur in East Jaintia Hills under 22 Musniang Rangat constituency was disrupted on Friday after unidentified miscreants vandalized the polling station A and B meant for male and female and damaged the EVM around 11 a.m. Following the incident, polling officials retreated the district headquarters and security was heightened. Unconfirmed reports suggest a clash between a political party supporters triggered the chaos. However, authorities have refrained from commenting. A report has been sought and action will follow based on its findings.
Kadon kajing ya sutu bakla menstep kandiat layak penbek ti kalayak bek bero ti hadu hatway atau kalayak bek kakam bero ndrei hadin pada rumtu hakapor hatway lai pusan ti ngiyo nok report bangkala don kata kajing wan jom kita kibriu kibam itu khmat da menu kiba ya don hang ni kibadang ya terikam na kalian presiding polling team jom presiding but sector officer but zonal magistrate ti mi thu khmat kishu wan kishu le force entry nang ta kishu penpat penperalu ya ki EVM bat nang ta ki penduk lu dia ka kampung penle election.
Over 40 residents of Lord Mary village in the Mairang constituency of East and West Khasi Hills district have expressed their disappointment at not being informed of their designated polling station for the KH-ADC election. Speaking to reporters, these residents stated that they were left in the dark and are unable to cast their votes. They expressed concern over the lack of action from the Deputy Commissioner's office and the booth level officers regarding the delivery of voter slips or electoral roll list, which prevented them from exercising their right to vote. These residents have yet to cast their ballots due to this issue and are seeking clarification from the DC's office.
Abangi kina jing tia abangi wan hne apo jika thebut tingi yo ipat musim ladan i jika ta ka pensang dom ni te nagaleng jong DC jaga DC lane ka BLO kemud hadu menta kani ka pol kemud klem don kono ka ba ka jing tep ka ba maki ki ai lene ka jing tha jong ki
ong ban kin pajya ka skor kin pajya ka sngi be thebut te tamta panyam te be ya bila kali na ihat jong kan ka skor ni ong ndak pu wi supon ki ante I ong am kham ya jong te be ya.
Ngalong Suklan, a resident of Electric Musnyang, demonstrated remarkable determination by travelling to the Yau Musyang polling station to cast his vote despite facing physical challenges. This marked his third time participating in the electoral process. Suklan expressed his hope for a fair and just government that prioritizes the need of underprivileged families and individuals with disabilities, particularly advocating for their betterment. Similar enduring stories are also emerging from Lom Nongthamai Bernihat, where 74-year-old Dominic Sutanga, despite mobility challenges, made his way to the polling station to cast his vote. His determination underscores the profound significance of voting in a democracy.
Nana duk macam mana rai pernah ditabur dia. Mana poin sini tabur kami le. Sebab siam tu le Yusuf wa boleh tahu lai tahu gigi dah ICP gigi ini dia. Tahu tu yang ni job thap, job thap. Yusuf di mana gam tu ngam job san le lai gigi dah buat di kendau job san. Yusuf saya wadah gigi.
And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 16 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 30 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity is 45%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 7.2 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 19.1 degrees Celsius and relative humidity is 60%. Meanwhile, in Juwai, minimum temperature 10 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 20 degrees Celsius and relative humidity is 44%. Forecast in Tura and Juwai says that dry weather is likely to occur in most places, whereas in Shillong, light rain is likely to occur at isolated places. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.